This video is on Baby Brezza Formula Pro setup, and I also share our Baby Brezza Formula Pro review. Alright, let's see how to use Baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced. Let's jump into it. Coming up. To use Baby Brezza for the first time use, dismantle all the parts and wash and dry them. Then assemble all the parts. I have a how to assemble and disassemble video if you want to see more detail. After putting back all the parts, you need to rinse the machine by running it in water only mode. Fill the tank with water and put a cup under the funnel. Press the ounce button on the control panel a few times until you see 8 ounce. Then press the water only button. Now let's cover how to use Baby Brezza Formula Pro Advanced. Pour formula powder into the powder container. Baby Brezza virtually supports all formula brands. Make sure the powder is filled between min and max lines. Moreover, the arms of the steering wheel should be fully covered by the formula. Put the powder container lid back and turn it clockwise until it stops. This will engage the safety switch and lock the powder container onto the place. First, you need to set the powder setting based on the formula that you use. Go to this website or scan this QR code to find out the setting based on your country, formula brand, and formula type. Baby Brezza virtually supports all formula brands. I have a separate video on formula chart and the powder setting on the Baby Brezza if you want to see more detail. I put a link here and also in the description below. For my formula, the website said the setting should be 5. Press the powder setting button on the left repeatedly to select your setting from 1 to 10. I set this as 5. Fortunately, this is a one-time thing and you only need to do this again only if you want to switch your formula type. Now press the ounce button to select the amount of formula you want. Outside the US, this button is ml instead of ounce. So how do I change between milliliter and ounce on my Formula Pro Advanced? You can change between ml and oz to adapt for whichever measurement suits you. Just hold down the ounce or ml button for 5 to 10 seconds until you see the change. Now press the temp button to select temperature. There are 3 temperature settings, slightly above body temperature, and lastly room temperature. When the indicator is blinking, it means that it is warming the water. I see this question often, does Baby Brezza Formula Pro boil water? No. Formula Pro does not boil the water, it only warms it up to the body temperature. So do not put questionable water in the tank hoping Baby Brezza will kill the germs with boiling. This video is not sponsored and I also spend lots of time making and editing this video. If you're getting value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button or even better by leaving a short or one word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching and let's continue with the video. Press the start button to dispense formula and wait for the magic to happen. Yay! The Formula Pro will remember all the setting and ounce sizes even if it's unplugged or turned off. You know what? Considering the price tag, it better remember all the setting even if I drop it on the floor or whatever. Anyway, you can always change the ounce size, temperature, powder setting by pressing the buttons again. Now let's review the warning symbol on the screen. There are 4 symbols and the Formula Pro will not run if any of these symbols are on. First, the powder lid is open. You need to turn it clockwise to close and lock it. This is the low water symbol. You need to refill the water tank when you see this. This is the clean funnel symbol, and it means that you have to clean the funnel assembly. You see this often. I will cover the cleaning in a little bit, so make sure to stick around. Lastly is the funnel out symbol. Make sure the funnel is installed correctly. Baby Brezza Formula Pro cleaning is important. You need to do a daily and a monthly Baby Brezza cleaning to make sure the machine is dispensing accurately. I have a separate video that covers Baby Brezza cleaning in more detail if you're interested. After every 4 bottles, you need to remove the funnel and funnel cover by pulling out and down. Baby Brezza also has a warning indicator to remind you to clean. This is the clean funnel symbol. It will not run if this symbol is on. Wash funnel and funnel cover with warm, soapy water and rinse well. Then dry completely before reinstalling. You also need to wipe the powder dispensing hole on the underneath of the powder container using a dry paper towel or soft dry cloth. Put back the funnel and funnel cover into the machine and you're good to go. Fortunately, you do not need to remove the powder container for daily cleaning. Here's a tip to make daily cleaning easier. You can buy an extra funnel and funnel cover on babybrezza.com for about $13 and swap the spare funnel with this funnel. So you're always ready to go and you don't need to worry about drying and washing. I did not buy it myself, but you have the option. I put a link to the spare parts in the description below. You also have to do a thorough cleaning once a month. Fully dismantle the parts including the water tank and powder container. Wash all the parts with warm soapy water and rinse well. Let the parts dry thoroughly. Put back the parts. Check out our how to assemble and disassemble video for more detail. This video is not a sponsor, and I also spent lots of time making and editing this video. If you got value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button, or even better by leaving a short or one word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching. Check out these other videos from us and you have a good one. Thank you. It is very helpful with the